The texture similar to a mermaid's tail has surprisingly appeared on the back of the phone. This is the brand new OPPO Reno 14 in the mermaid princess color. This time, the Reno folks got it right. Let's unbox it together. The packaging color for this OPPO generation has changed, resembling moonlight silver on the side, with a quick release opening on the back. Are all you bling bling fans ready? It's the first time meeting the Reno 14 Mermaid Edition. Everyone, this back panel is amazing. It has something special. Look at how the light reflects. Doesn't it resemble a mermaid's tail? Sometimes it's blue and other times it's this beige color. The back panel has a beige vibe and feels skin-friendly. It's made with a velvet technique and doesn't attract fingerprints. I'm facing the light and then turning away from it so everyone can feel it. I thought of a description. It's like when I go out with this color, the way the back panel looks changes depending on the light. Isn't it like our moods? It feels different on a cloudy day compared to a sunny day. It's interesting, this camera module has clever design elements. Look here. Doesn't it look like a mermaid's eye? There's a silver ring outside and inside, a gradient from white to black like an eye. Then there's an exclamation mark here and above it, a small circle, though I'm not sure what it's for. The outer ring is made from a single piece of cool tone glass, which looks pricey and feels nice. Oh, I noticed a small detail. When the rear panel undergoes a transformation, the logo transitions along with it. Wow, with such a vibrant OPPO, some friends might inquire, won't the stunning back panel be concealed once you put on a protective phone case? OPPO has considered that, so this time they've included a transparent phone case. However, it's distinct from typical transparent cases. It features a high transparency PC hard back panel. Once you put this case on the phone, rest assured, friends, it won't compromise the aesthetics of the Reno 14 in any way. Looking at the phone's side, it has a matte metal frame and you can feel how thin it is, just 7.42mm. Plus, it weighs only 187 grams, keeping a light design. For the Reno, I think this is great. Let's take another look at the top. Although I can't describe it by looking at a few holes, you should be able to guess its related features. The front of the phone has a 6.59-inch flat screen, and among Android manufacturers, there are those who can make flat screens with very narrow bezels. Let's identify them. After thoroughly inspecting the phone, let's examine the accompanying box accessories. Here is the SIM ejector pin, an 80-watt A port charger, and an A to C data cable. After observing the accessories, it suddenly occurred to me, doesn't a single Reno 14 appear somewhat solitary? If you place two Reno 14s side by side, wouldn't they form a pair of couple phones? I truly resonate with this sentiment naturally. The brand new OPPO Reno 14 not only appears aesthetically pleasing itself, but can also enhance your appearance. We'll see you after the launch event for further details. Goodbye.